May 12th. Cottonwood restoration update. And the first of the deep culverts are in, and the dog's swimming. She's getting her swim on. Come here. She's testing her swimmability. So these culverts are to connect the waterways. And what I got was some 30-inch galvanized. And we're going to connect these donut ponds. You can see there's the flow through. Just a huge undertaking. And then this is going to be how we fill the whole system. In the springtime from the river. As you can see, it's holding water well on the one side with the soil flock. And once we start filling this, we'll be sealing the whole system intermittently. And if you can just bear with me, I'll come around to the back here. Smurf in there, and Adrian working hard. Connecting the two waterways in the final piece of the puzzle. You can see water behind Papa, and water in front, and the tube is going to lay right at that water level. So we're really excited to get this moving forward this summer. In the next few days, I'm going to really have to buckle down for LeCon. So I'm just enjoying the sun right now. My friend Angus over here. And my dog Gremlin. She loves it. That's Cody. You can even see the top of Square Top poking its head up. Stay tuned for more updates on the Cottonwood restoration area. This front 5 acres is now registered with the state of Colorado as a conservation zone. And we're going to be doing lots of unique things here. Restoring native berries and fruit trees. Using solar technology to keep it watered and full. And the ideas are limitless. We just have to implement them. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Share this with like-minded people. And we'll see you at LeCon. Be safe. We love you. Beautiful sky. So we're here at the Cottonwood restoration, and the pipes are in, and the system is working. The water is flowing from the one end to the other. And now this is filling. And then this pipe here will be filling the lower canal and the natural swimming pool down in here. That's the natural swimming pool. That's the Continental Divide. And that's an island right there. So I'm gonna do yoga in the morning. Smoke a big fat one. Or maybe I'll choose this island over here. It's anybody's guess. Maybe I'll camp out here, who knows? So the system is ready to be filled by that pipe, which will finish, bury, and turn on tomorrow. The waterway is finished. It's equilibrating as we speak and filling. Beautiful sunset. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Follow the Cottonwood restoration progress as we make it happen. Now this whole area, all of the soil we've reclaimed, we're going to be spreading and planting fruit trees and native, all types of native plants throughout this entire area. So stay tuned and we'll show you how. Be safe, we love you.